Our college has partnered with TalentSprint, through which I got to know about this course, which is Cloud and AI. And as it is booming, I thought it was a really good opportunity to learn as a fresher and develop my career. And as a bachelor student, I feel this course is a good opportunity for students like us who can build their career and get great opportunities. So the faculty here in TalentSprint is really good, and they help the students in learning, and they also teach really well, and the way they teach us is very simple and to the point. In our LLM, there are many labs through which we can learn and also practice all the theory which was taught to us, which is very helpful, which will give us a real-time experience, which will help us in future to tackle the problems. So as we have 4 days of classes here and 2 days of classes in our college, we usually complete all the college syllabus in those 2 days, which is stressful, but I feel like it is worth it because this course is equally worth it. I would love to recommend this course to my friends and family because I feel like this will definitely help them in building their careers.